Imagine if one day you just floated off the ground, no explanation, no force pulling you back to Earth. It sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? But this invisible force, gravity, is what's holding us all down. Gravity governs everything, from the orbits of planets to the fall of an apple. But what exactly gravity, and how did humanity first uncover this mysterious force? Today, we're diving into the science and history of gravity, revealing the secrets that have fascinated scientists for centuries. Gravity is one of the fundamental forces of nature, and it's all around us, constantly at work. Simply put, gravity is the force of attraction between objects with mass. It's why things fall when you drop them, why the planets orbit the sun, and even why the moon orbits Earth. But gravity isn't just a force that keeps us grounded, it's what shapes galaxies and binds the universe together. Yet despite being such a constant in our lives, gravity remains somewhat of a mystery, leading scientists to constantly search for a deeper understanding of this enigmatic force. Long before scientists put a name to gravity, ancient civilizations had theories about why objects fall and stay on the ground. Ancient Greek philosophers like Aristotle thought objects fell because they sought their natural place in the universe, with heavier objects falling faster. This idea held for centuries until more advanced scientific methods developed. Ancient Indian and Chinese cultures too observed gravitational effects, though they didn't have the framework we use today. These early ideas set the stage for the revolutionary discoveries to come. The breakthrough came in the 17th century with Sir Isaac Newton. The story goes that Newton saw an apple fall from a tree and asked why it fell straight down, instead of moving sideways or floating upward. This question led him to realize that a force must be pulling objects toward Earth's center, and he called it gravity. Newton's law of universal gravitation stated that every object with mass attracts every other object, with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the distance between them. Newton's groundbreaking work not only explained why objects fall but also how planets orbit the sun, revolutionizing science and becoming the foundation of classical physics. Nearly 2 centuries after Newton, Albert Einstein redefined gravity with his theory of general relativity. According to Einstein, gravity isn't just a force but a curvature in the fabric of space-time itself. Imagine a large, heavy ball placed on a stretched-out rubber sheet. This creates a dip or curvature around the ball. In the same way, massive objects like the sun warp space-time, causing planets to move along curved paths or orbits. This radical new perspective of gravity provided explanations for phenomena Newton's model couldn't fully explain, like the bending of light around massive objects. Einstein's theory gave us a deeper, more complex view of gravity that scientists are still exploring today. Gravity isn't just an abstract concept. It affects every part of our daily lives. It keeps us and everything around us grounded. Without gravity, we wouldn't have an atmosphere, which means no breathable air or water retention on Earth's surface. It even affects our bodies. Our muscles and bones are structured to work against gravity. Astronauts who spend time in space experience muscle and bone loss due to low-gravity environments. In short, gravity shapes our existence, from the food we grow to how we move, impacting everything in ways we often take for granted. Despite centuries of study, gravity still holds mysteries. For instance, scientists are puzzled about how gravity works at a quantum level. There are even theories that suggest gravity might be connected to dark matter or dark energy, mysterious components that make up most of the universe. The more we learn, the more questions arise. So while we've come far from Newton's falling apple, the quest to understand gravity continues, with each discovery bringing us a step closer to understanding the fundamental laws of the universe. If you enjoyed learning about the mystery of gravity and the minds behind its discovery, don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing science content. And let us know, what part of gravity fascinates you the most? Comment below and join the discussion.